Well, hello, friends. It's Running Kimono. So, this is definitely something you should watch before you go shopping over at Walgreens. So, there's an opportunity with this coupon to get free cards at the store. So, where I found this specifically was at an active beauty counter. So, for the most part, a lot of beauty counters are there, but there's nobody that works behind it. But the ones that are kind of like zhuzhed up beautifully with the white chair and they do like makeovers and all that stuff, this is where I found it. So I only found it at one store, and it's a $4 off too, not specific to Mother's Day either. And I believe this is a store coupon because it doesn't say manufacturer coupon on it. So if you were going to toss this in with one of those, spend 25, get back 5, that booster, it might mess up your math because look at this. What it says PLU 0828. So that's not a manufacturer coupon. And the expiry date for this one is quick. It is today only. So you got to like run on this one. So good luck finding these. I was able to find a couple at one store. And so see these cards at Walgreens, they're 2 for $4. It works perfectly on this. So everything from birthday cards to baby shower to you name it. And it's a higher quality card. But they have to be $2 in that neighborhood. And just to show you, I grabbed 2 birthday ones with that coupon, and it worked beautifully. So guys, today is the day to do this because they have such a quick turnaround. They expire today, but grabbing 2 of them for $4, presenting one of those coupons, you're paying tax. And it could be birthday cards, it could be a thank you card, it could be a baby shower, wedding, whatever you want. If you're like me and you just like want like extra little cards, or if you find a Mother's Day card for $2, go for it. I mean, this is really nice, and these are beautiful, beautiful cards. Okay, guys, and just to show you, I did a little bit of filming in store yesterday. This is the display for that Listerine deal of spend 30, get back a $10 register reward. It's written there, plain as day, and all of the items are in this little caddy right near the incontinence aisle. So that's where I found it at this one store. And yeah, there it is, plain as day. And this is the QR code if you want to see all the products that are participating. Just open up your camera and it'll bring you to the website on the Walgreens page saying this is all the stuff that's included, so you have an idea of what you're picking up. And this is taking place right until June the 30th. So you have a good long window. So if everything's cleared from your store, Listerine wise, hey, you still have a bit of time, and it's written there as well. And just to show you one more time, the Listerines from that QR code, like what's included. Here are the different flavors. Make sure you're grabbing the right one. For this deal, the devil is in the detail. So if you're going to just go off and do whatever, the $10 register reward may not print for you. So just be super smart about this and really pay attention for this deal. Okay, now at rapid pace, we're going to go through some digital coupons that I think you should load, including this $3 off for a cosmetic product. Lip stuff is included. Remember, we have a 2 for $7 this week. Yeah, load it. It's a very high value coupon. We also have this $5 off, and there's one Color Stay like lipstick on the far left-hand corner, so maybe I can get that to work. I think it's International Lipstick Day, one day in May, so maybe it's this week or something like that. And then we have this glow product as well. Okay, guys, see how it says only for you in the top left-hand corner? Not every store card gets it, but if you buy makeup or if you haven't been buying makeup, possibly you'll get the same ones as I. So this is $2 for the Neutrogena makeup wipes, valid till June. Yes, please. And we have a 5 off of 2 for the Neutrogena cosmetics. I haven't been buying makeup lately since the pandemic started. Looking rough always. We have the $1 for the Charmin. I unclipped this one last week, so I'm happy that it's back. So load this if you're doing the toilet paper deal. And $1.50 off a Gold Bond. There's a spray that's on clearance for like $2.50. So with this, like paying $1 for that, yeah. $1 for the Scott, that is $5. We have $1.25 IVC. So with this, it would drop it down to $2.75. This is a $1 manufacturer coupon. So cheap toilet paper. Hello. Awesome. We have $1 off the Cottonelle. Load this one. You never know when the stuff is going to go on clearance and get crazy. I love that. And we have the 4 off of 2 for the Colgate. Now, in my matchups, I only had a $2 coupon. So with this, I think it makes it a freebie now. And we have a 4 off of 2 for the Olay body wash. Just load this one. You never know when it's going to be fantastic. And then a $2 off for the Snuggle and All products that are I think are like $6.99 at that price point. A great filler for one of those larger purchase baskets. Okay, this is something kind of rare that we don't see a lot. A $2 off when you buy 2 cleaning products. We haven't seen this since the pandemic started. At the very least, load this one. It is a very valuable coupon. Okay, and now we have a 2 off of 2 for the Bic lighters. If you're candle obsessed, you might go through lighters just like me, but just load this one. And then we have an $8 off of a Claritin product. If you suffer from allergies like yours truly, this is a great one. Final coupon to load is a buy one, get one free on the Garnier Whole Blends. This guy is valid till the end of the month. We will have a deal for this. Load the coupons, get organized, and look for those free Hallmark cards if you can track down that coupon. Today only. Bye, guys. I'll catch you in the next one.